If you want strong abs, better posture, and next level mobility, and you're only doing crunches, you're missing out. This one move, it does it all. Let's learn the windmill. Hi everybody, and welcome to my exercise tutorial. So today we're doing something really nice, and it's a windmill. Windmill is one of my favorite exercises to strengthen my core and also to do mobility for my hips and also stabilizing my shoulders. And how this exercise looks like. So you're gonna need some kind of weight, but you can also do body weight, so no problem. I will break it down both versions. So I'm gonna first show you. Arms up, and we go down. Okay, so now I will break it down for you. So, as you see, I was standing a little bit hip width apart, as wide as you possibly basically can, and you feel comfortable with it. So now you're gonna pivot the left foot to the left side, 45 degrees. Now the right hip goes into the right hip socket, so you secure it, right? This knee is slightly bent. You can also have it extended if you're strong enough, so your quads has to be really strong, but keep it bent just for the safety reasons. Now you're gonna lift up the arm, yeah, on the same side that you're pivoting. So lock your shoulders, now look up into the dumbbell, and now with the opposite arm you're trying to reach to the ground, okay? And now engage your core. You come up and extend the arm. Eyesight is all the time on the arm. So again, inhale to go down, exhale, and again into the socket, down. Now engage your core and lifting up. Okay, from the other side. So now we're gonna switch the side. Again, now pivot, bend the knee, abs engaged, arms up, and now we go. We move to the side, exhale on the top, inhale, exhale, one more, exhale. Okay. Whew. So if you cannot do this with a weight or your shoulder is limited, you can always do this body weight, of course. So let's go wider again. The same rule, pivot one foot 45 degrees, engage the legs, everything. So we're gonna go into the right hip socket, lifting the right arms up, and we just go down. Good. 1, 2, 3. If you want to do it extended version, you can go a little bit wider. So keep this leg extended. So again, the socket, leg extended, and come down. This will put a little bit more pressure on the knee joint, which is not really what we want if you have fragile knees. So make sure that it's bended. It's gonna give you better support and better way of execution of this exercise. So like I said, this exercise is great for strengthening your obliques, your core, stabilizing your shoulder joints, and also working the mobility in the hips, and also stretching the hamstrings. And yeah, basically you can incorporate it into your functional fitness or into the core days as a finisher. So it's really good way to do it. So usually I do it like 10 reps per side, and you're gonna really feel the obliques the next day. Okay, so I'm gonna reverse my body to the other side so you can actually check how the back is moving in this way. Okay. So again, pivot, you can pivot both of the feet. Find the coordination that is really good for you. So arms up, pivot, 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 pivot. Good. And inhale, exhale up. One more on this side, touch the ground. Okay, now change the movement. Your feet up, down, and we go. squeeze it. Okay. Of course, you can also use a kettlebell if you want to. Kettlebell is a great way to do any kind of overhead presses because of the dynamic, the shape of the kettlebell, but also dumbbell is really, really good. So, yeah. So that was a windmill exercise. I hope you like it. I hope you will incorporate it into your fitness routine, either for your core, add it into your mobility training, and yeah, you will see how you will like it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I see you next time. Thank you so much. Give me a fire emoji if you really like this tutorials that I'm doing for you guys. Okay, see you next time. Ciao.